Every great business begins with a powerful digital vision. We design beautiful, high-performing websites that transform ideas into unforgettable digital experiences. We develop powerful software and intelligent AI automation that help businesses work faster, smarter, and more efficiently. From mobile applications to powerful visual branding, we create experiences that people love and remember. We help businesses reach more customers, generate more leads, and achieve sustainable digital growth. Your vision deserves world-class technology. Let's build the future together.
Visit Webrayz.com